The market is opened at 10 o'clock. We'll get the graphic up shortly. Ed Boyd's here with me. Ed, what's it doing?
Look, the stock market's in positive territory for a second day in a row. It's obviously been a volatile couple of weeks of share trading with everything that's been going on with the war in Iran. But what I wanted to talk to you about this morning, Laura, was how dramatically money market pricing has shifted just in the past 24 hours in regards to the Reserve Bank raising interest rates next week. So what's happened overnight, there was a podcast between the Deputy Governor of the RBA. He spoke on that with Michelle Grattan and basically suggested that the board is going to seriously consider looking at hiking interest rates in less than a week's time. So before the commentary, there was a 65% chance of a hold. After that commentary, there is now 65% chance of rates going up on Tuesday. So this is obviously something, whoever's the new leader of the National Party will be, they're going to have to deal with this along with the government. So we're looking at a rate rise next week of 25 basis points. You've got major bank economists now changing their forecasts as well. We've been talking to Warren Hogan for quite a while. Right. He thinks rates are going up. We've got UBS now saying rates are rising, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, along with Capital Economics. So 65%
chance that rates are going up. So this means that the RBA at the moment is looking at the short-term inflation nightmare for us at the moment. They're not looking at, at growth. So they must be calculating that this is not going to be a long war. It's going to be short, but really painful economically.
And the problem is, I guess they're in a difficult situation because there was an expectation they would definitely be raising rates in May, so in a couple of months' time. But now they're going to move that forward. This is the suggestion from economists and from money markets due to the inflation shock and supply shocks we've seen from rising oil prices. Obviously, the oil markets have been very volatile. Still, oil is not getting out of the Strait of Hormuz. You've been talking to Janie Seal in Bathurst today, talking about how there's running out of diesel fuel at some petrol stations. So all of these things together are an issue for the Reserve Bank, along with the unemployment rate being low.
And the government keeps on telling us that there's no shortage of fuel. So what's going on there? If
I'm not an expert on that.
Okay,
I don't know. But look, we obviously source our fuel from Singapore, the Singapore MoGas, so we import a lot from there. We also produce petrol in Australia as well. I'm not actually sure why there are shortages in farming regions or the regions.
But also some of these petrol stations are anticipating the price higher, so they kind of get ahead of that, don't they?
They do. Look, it looks like clearly there's been a bit of price gouging that's happened in the past week or so with a lot of petrol stations just putting up the price.
And did the ACCC allow that anticipatory price rise, or it has to be the real effect? Oh, that's what they'll be looking at.
They've regularly monitored petrol prices and put out a report, I think it's every month or every quarter, looking into it. And different markets have price cycles. Like some of them, the price does go up and down like a wave. I know you were talking to Aspen yesterday in Hobart saying it's not the same there. Here's Brent crude. You can see what has happened just today. It's falling again. It's around 91 US a barrel.
Okay, Ed, I punished you enough. Thank you for bringing that to us. Rates likely going up on Tuesday now.
Yeah, Tuesday.
65%. Oh, okay. Thank you.